Okay, in order to stream music through the audio system in this 2015 Mini Cooper, what we have to do, you go to your music on your phone, and just see there. Now at the bottom there, on an iPhone, the silver triangle and the three red circles, you'll see there, iPhone and Mini 36607. There's a tick next to that. That means any audio that plays on this phone will play through the system if you've got it set up right. Now I've turned it down over here. If we go to media, just forward of the eye control, and then you'll see there auxiliary front, Barry's iPhone 13. Click on that. That's what's playing at the moment. If I turn this up here and then I turn this up, that's how you play music.